Hello, I'm Cameron Jensen, and today I'm gonna show you my like. Okay, so first I have construction paper grips in black. Pretty swag, really rough, lasted me 3 minutes. Next my R's. I have MW2 handlebars in black with M2.5 inch rise. Hashtag YOLO. Next my swag stem. It's an plastic stem made out of an Nerf gun. I really like it, nice and plastic. Hashtag so grippy. Next my custom forks. I found them in the back of an guy's truck along with an used condom attached to it. Really like them. The brand name is Aussie, I think. They are so nice, Mr. Swag. The tags are made out of an pop, and for $1,000. Next, my tire. It's an glass tire I got from an Buzz Light tire like at Walmart. I really fucking hate these contests, motherfucking pieces of fucking shit. Don't get them, they suck more dick than Austin Minton on an Friday night. Hashtag next part. My frame is an razor frame I welded together out of an old scooter that I got from Luke Smith. My cranks are old mountain bike cranks, laced to Odyssey hop pedals. I have an chain wheel I made from an pizza cutter, and I have an Nike shoelace V2 chain. Next, my back wheel is an cardboard wheel and an plastic rim laced to Odyssey. Twisted PC V2 yellow orange in hot pink. Well anyway, while I kick the fuck out of my back wheel, I'm going to tell you to leak, comment, and subscribe. Well anyways, I read tube.